Hey there, Homesteaders.
How's it going?
Hello, Homesteaders.
Want to send out a thank you to all our new subscribers and a special thanks to 7 Sigma Off-Grid.
Yes, thank you for all the lovely new faces that joined our channel. Today's episode is all about desert mulch and how to use it in the garden.
We got a little bin here full of a bunch of dead grass that we stacked a couple years ago. And it's pretty crispy, so it's perfect for what we want to use. And I'm going to stick my big fat head in the way and block most of the shot, and also use this as an opportunity to talk about the sun hat that I'm wearing. It might be dirty and ugly, but it's standard issue here on the homestead.
Yeah, you can get heat stroke if you don't have protection.
And I'm not a hat-wearing guy, so it's something I had to learn. So I get my bag of grass out of the bin, and I take it over to a nice spot in the shade where I can start working on it. To make the mulch, we just kind of take those pieces that we got out of the bin, and we break it up into about 2-inch pieces.
It's important the pieces are relatively small so they interlock and lay flat on the soil around the plant.
It does take a little while, so we do have to do the whole bag and just make sure each piece of grass is broken down into a 2-inch piece. We have tried wood chippers and all types of machinery and clippers, but working by hand seems to work the best. We usually make it by the bag. What do you use it for?
I use it for everything. I use it in everything that I pot and everything that I repot, because the soil without mulch just dries out far too quickly. The sun and the wind are really quite intense.
Once I've got that whole bag busted up, I go ahead and take it over to the garden. You can see that the soil is already starting to dry out around the rim. I had just watered this thing edge to edge, and the sun has already lurched out the water around the ring.
Yeah, it really has.
And that's part of the reason why we have to put this on there. The mulch acts as a moisture barrier. It also prevents bugs and other things from nesting in the dirt or just using the mud.
The mulch color reflects the sun and also helps retain the soil when winds come.
We're actually weaving it in and turning it into sort of an interlocked mesh. Edge to edge, no bare spots, no dirt showing at all, right up to the stalk. That's our little secret for how we keep our plants doing so well. These old tires that we've planted in have a good 2 inches of it.
It's been such a game changer in how we keep our plants cool and hydrated in the summer.
And the best part is, it's completely free.
Absolutely.
You can make this mulch out of any readily available grass or vegetation you have. You can make it out of weeds.
Definitely.
You can make it out of grass. You can make it out of sticks or pine needles.
Yeah.
What matters is that it's just this 2-inch fiber that keeps the water in, reflects the sun, protects from wind, and conserves your water.
Yeah, it really has.
And here we have proof that we actually live at the end of the rainbow. It's the first time we had a rainbow that had both ends on our property.
Oh, yeah. Our homestead is our pot of gold. It's our little slice of paradise.
And if you do decide to garden in the desert, we hope you'll find some really great mulch. Hopefully yours will be free and abundant, and your gardens will flourish and not be eaten by pests. Happy homesteading, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next episode, Homesteaders.